6 drinks that do boost your brain. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel where I share all sorts of information about health and wellness. Today we're going to be talking about drinks that do boost your brain. As we all know, our brains are the most important part of our bodies. The better we take care of them, the better we can function in all aspects of our lives. That's why it's so important to make sure we're doing all we can to keep our brains healthy and functioning at their best. Do you ever feel like you need a mental boost when studying or working? Have you ever been in a situation where you need to stay awake and alert? If so, you're in luck. There are drinks that can help you out. Certain drinks can imitate the effects of smart drugs, while others contain components such as antioxidants or probiotics which can promote cognitive activity. We have compiled a list of 6 of these drinks. 1. Coffee. It is without a doubt the most widely consumed nootropic drink. Caffeine is responsible for most of its brain-enhancing properties, although it also contains other compounds such as chlorogenic acid, which has been proven to have a positive impact on brain health according to a study published in Neurochemistry International. In Neuroscience Biobehavioral Reviews, a review study conducted by Australian scientists suggests that doses of caffeine between 40 to 300 milligrams, equivalent to ½ cup to 3 cups of coffee, can improve concentration, alertness, reaction time, and memory. Additionally, it is believed to protect against Alzheimer's disease. The amount of caffeine varies depending on the type of coffee, and its effects also change depending on the individual's habitual consumption. 2. Green tea. In comparison to coffee, green tea has a much lower caffeine concentration. However, it contains 2 potential nootropic components, L-theanine and epigallocatechin. Research indicates that L-theanine can create a feeling of relaxation, as well as that, when combined with caffeine, it can enhance attention. A review of 21 studies published in Phytomedicine concluded that green tea can be beneficial for focus, attention, and memory. In addition, epigallocatechin is able to pass through the blood-brain barrier, indicating that it may have a positive effect on the brain or even help to prevent neurodegenerative diseases. 3. Orange juice. Orange juice is a great source of vitamin C, with 1 cup supplying 93% of the recommended daily value. Research suggests that this vitamin may have beneficial impacts on neurological functions. A review of 50 studies conducted by Australian researchers found that higher levels of vitamin C, either through blood levels or intake, resulted in improved cognitive abilities like memory, attention, and language. However, consuming sweetened orange juice may not be the best way to get this vitamin, since it is high in calories and sugar. Eating a whole orange is a better way to get vitamin C, as it contains more fiber and is lower in calories and sugar, and still offers 77% of the daily value. Additionally, it is important to note that there are other good sources of vitamin C like red peppers, kiwi, and broccoli. 4. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are rich in polyphenols, substances that may give your brain a boost. The antioxidant anthocyanins, which give the berries their blue-purple color, could be the ones that provide the benefits. However, a review of research conducted on nearly 400 individuals published in Brain, Behavior, and Immunity found mixed results. The most evident positive effect noted was improved short- and long-term memory. Nevertheless, not all studies observed brain-related advantages of eating blueberries. Consuming the whole fruit is a healthier, lower sugar choice that could bring similar benefits. 5. Turmeric milk. Often referred to as golden milk, it is a hot and delectable drink that is characterized by its bright yellow hue from turmeric. Turmeric is a rich source of the antioxidant curcumin, which is known to boost the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor and thus improve cognitive function, as demonstrated by nutrition research. Low brain-derived neurotrophic factor is associated with mental deficits and neurological disorders, which means that increasing its levels can have a beneficial effect on the brain. Nevertheless, it is important to note that the amount of curcumin in turmeric milk is significantly less than what is usually given in studies. 6. Kefir. Kefir is a probiotic-rich fermented drink that is made from fermented milk, not tea like kombucha. According to the magazine Microbiome, Consuming kefir can help improve brain function by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. You can make kefir at home or purchase a variety of kefir and yogurt drinks in the store. Remember to follow the instructions and guidelines of professionals and manufacturers for each of these products to avoid consuming doses that could be potentially harmful. Finally, we have water. Water is essential for keeping your brain hydrated and healthy. It can also help you stay alert and focused. So, if you're looking for drinks that can boost your brain, try some of these options. They're all natural, healthy, and can make a real difference in your productivity and focus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.